Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. Hope all of you are doing good. Today we will be discussing about makeup which enhances our beauty and makes us look more attractive. Almost all women regularly or occasionally do more or less makeup. Makeup is not a tool meant to make an ugly thing beautiful. It is meant only to magnify the beauty that already exists. But let me ask you a question. Do you remove your makeup before going to bed? This is a very important question for all those who does makeup. Why is it so important to remove your makeup before going to bed? Let us share with you all an experiment. One woman wanted to learn more about the effects of sleeping in makeup. For 1 month she applied her makeup as usual but didn't remove it at night. Let's see what has happened to her. According to the Daily Mail, experts claimed her skin at age 10 years, her surface texture worsened, wrinkles became deeper, skin suffered redness and dryness, pores grew 5% larger. So, do you remove your makeup regularly before going to bed? Well, it's a crucial regimen that is often overlooked. Neglecting to remove your makeup can lead to clogged pores, acne, dryness, redness, dark spots, and can be premature aging also. Makeup removal procedure can be really tedious job if you don't have the right product for makeup removal. And you might end up in a mess, just like this. Thereby, you give up and go to bed by keeping your makeup on face, which is absolutely not good. Today, I'll be sharing with you all a very easy and good homemade recipe for making makeup removal wipes. Now, why to choose homemade makeup removal wipes? As you all know, commercially produced makeup removal wipes contains preservatives and other harmful ingredients which can be harmful for your skin. Some brands contains toxic substances that are not natural. Since I don't love these ingredients, it makes more sense to make my own. Hence, sharing with you all the same. Now, ingredients what we all be needing, that is paper towel or cotton pad, a cup of water, baby wash, here I am using Johnson baby wash, coconut oil, essential oil, that is optional, you can also skip it. Now coming to the procedure, how to make it. Take a cup of filtered water. To this add 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil followed by the same quantity of baby wash, that is 5 to 6 tablespoons. Then add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. It can be lavender or tea tree, anything. Now give a stir to this solution. Finally dip all the cotton pads or the facial tissue into this solution. Please note, you don't need to refrigerate this solution as it contains coconut oil. How to use these wipes? Take out a wipe from this solution and wipe off your makeup with this wipe. Give 4 to 5 good strokes and you will hardly observe any traces of makeup. After removing your makeup, wash your face with normal water. See these images for your references. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Share your valuable feedback with me. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates. See you on my next video. Bye, guys.